Morning, everybody. So I'm still getting love from the last Zoom workshop on strength, muscle, understanding muscle, your symptoms in your body and your injuries and how to apply it all. It's pretty moving, actually, that the actions taken, there were practical applications, there was tons of knowledgeable, just groundwork kind of stuff, and people are using it, and feeling and seeing responses, and even inquiring about gaining access to it. So again, as long as that's still coming in, I'll then relay it for more, because this is why I do it. I get excited about this stuff because I'm excited about it in my own life. And then it's kind of like I discover water and want everybody to know where the water is. So again, the last Zoom workshop I did, understanding muscle, your symptoms, your injuries, and the intimate relationship between, what is also provided besides the 6.5 hour replay, it's 6.5 hours. So it's like a weekend of conference on a specific topic. You also get the training patterns and training movement videos that you'll have moving forward, that I personally use and clinically use or suggest to show people how to acquire the tools to train themselves. Because regardless of the case, that's where we have to start. You have to start at muscle. It's the only tissue we can consciously control, and there's a reason for that. And so it doesn't matter whether you're hospice, it doesn't matter whether you're autoimmune, whatever your label is, it doesn't matter your age, if you have all your organs left, it doesn't matter. You have to start there, at least I believe, and it just makes total sense, because everything after that is going to come from there, and coming back into your physical body, checking back into your physical body, acquiring more energy budget, because your currency for anything is energy, but energy is going through this tissue. That's how you access the world, through this physical body. And then we can tap into mind spirit as it channels through this. So I had said the class was done on October 10th. And I had said the replay was available till 11/11 before it goes, because the whole menu of workshop options is changing, and when it goes over to there, the price bumps a little bit to entice people to want to do the live or do it now. A sense of urgency, which is fine. It's still going to be there. Some of them are included in full evaluations for obvious reasons, as prep work for the prep work for the visit or continuing education work moving forward. But that being said, if anybody's curious about the details on this, please email me, info@TommyJohnIII.com, for the latest class details or questions or concerns, or any of the classwork that I have available, from nutrition to relationships to mental health, calf jump, spinal hygiene, execution, hanging, feet and hand details, edits to my book, that was a 2-parter, and hormones, menopause and andropause. And so just email me and let me know. Again, I'm gonna extend it even more because everyone's stoked about it. So at this original rate, it's going to be available past 11/11. I was going to do 11/11, but I'm going to extend that out. So if anybody's interested. And then also the Zoom workshop menu, I was doing weekly rentals, but I'm going to do 21 days as a minimum. If somebody wants more, just 21 days, nice number, form a habit. You have access to that stuff. And if you need more time, again, you just ask me, and it's not a problem. But you will be communicating with me through email, not a team of people. It's me. So don't hesitate. Let me know any concerns or questions that you have. Looking forward to continuing to hear people applying these things that are on my office walls to a level deeper. And that's why I offered the workshops, because there's people from this class I've never even met before, which is fantastic, because sometimes they can take information and apply it to a deeper level without having to meet with me, right? Like, that's great. What a great thing. That's why I continue to update the material on my office walls. It's free. It's for you. It's hundreds of hours, and it's always updated. And then if we want to go deeper and you're stuck or you're having some trouble understanding how to utilize these tools or how to utilize these things or to find blind spots, or then we go one-on-one, we go deeper and we get personal and we get intimate. It's you're leading the charge. So looking forward to talking to everybody and seeing everybody. Continue to apply. info@TommyJohnIII.com. Have a great day, everybody.